Video we have to do a math where we are calculating median for ungrouped data, which the total number of observation we should get is even numbers. So for here we had already done where the here we did, and we got the number of observation and odd. So we did for odd numbers. Now we should do for even numbers. So we are going to do that right now, and actually we have a problem which we should do. So let me paste it here. So let me search for the problem, Control 3. So this is the problem we should find. Also, if you have watched the previous video, you should be able to answer this question. Which of the following formula is arithmetic mean? You should be able to answer that. It's very simple. So let me copy the data. So this is our data. We use the same formula, but for calculating median for odd numbers, but I want to show you something different. So first we sort in ascending order. So we sort. Then to sort, let me just use, I have done it here using the software. Sort B, if you have R installed, it will show you like that. So this is our sorted data in ascending order. Then we count the total numbers of observation. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 observation. But now we are not using this formula which we used here, n plus 1 divided by 2. We are going to use something else. So we are going to divide our observation into 2. We use n divided by 2. We get the half position, half log position, yes, half position, and we should get is 714 divided by nini, 14 by 2 is 7. So we calculate and we should get 7. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to there. That is the middle point. So that is our half the point. So what do we calculate median for other numbers? So we pick our 7th position and 7th position, and what else? 7 and 8 or 6 and 8. 6 and 7. Let me confirm. Let me just confirm here in the note. When odd n is even, the two numbers in the middle, then we average them. Let me get a clear explanation. Like that. So it is 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So let's go and calculate. So we counted up to 7. So we have 7 and 8. So we add them. That is 2 plus 2. Then divide by 2. Answer will be 2. So that is how we calculate our median for ungrouped data when the number of observation are half. But I have a book here, like which has a very clear information on how to do it. This one. So we arrange the data in a numerical order, that is ascending. Then we identify median. I want with an example. So this is an example exactly for even numbers. First you can calculate it. These are the numbers. Calculate it and see whether you get this before you can pause the video and do it. So whenever we get our data set is 12, as we have to get the two numbers. So we come to our formula, we get n plus n divided by 2, we get the first half, we get the half position first, the first position, that is, let's call it x1. Then to get the next position, we do it by n plus 1, n over 2 divided plus 1. We get the second position. We write it as x2. And then we average the 2. So our formula should be x plus 2, x position 1 over so to get value for this, we should go to this gives position. So you go to the position and then you come and substitute here, then you divide by 2. That is how to get the median for even numbers. So let's correct it here. So we have learned that is a tick. So thank you.